Hello friends. I hope you will be fine. OPPO Reno smartphones comes with elegant design, powerful camera capabilities, and advanced features which provide a premium smartphone experience for users. OPPO has launched its Reno 10 series on May 10, 2023 in China. It will be seen in global markets including India very soon. This series include 3 models: OPPO Reno 10, OPPO Reno 10 Pro and OPPO Reno 10 Pro Plus. Today we are going to talk about design, specifications and price of OPPO Reno 10 Pro Plus in detail, which is a high-end smartphone of this series. Let's start this video. First we open the box of the phone. You will get user menu card and transparent case, SIM card tool, and fast charger of 100 watt is given. Now we remove plastic wrap of the phone and talk about the most important element of any phone, which is design. OPPO Reno 10 Pro Plus comes with narrow bezels and attractive design. On its right side, power button and volume rocker can be seen. At the bottom, microphone, dual SIM tray, USB Type-C port and stereo speakers are given. At the top, microphone and IR blaster is given. An under-display fingerprint sensor is given. It comes with a different and eye-catching slightly bumpy camera module. 2 sensors are merged in the upper section of the module and 1 is merged in the bottom section. And within this, LED flash can also be seen. If we talk about the price of OPPO Reno 10 Pro Plus, then its expected price is $600, 850 Canadian dollars, 570 euros, 50,000 Indian rupees, 1,70,000 Pakistani rupees and 70,000 Bangladeshi taka. After that we talk about display of OPPO Reno 10 Pro Plus. Then it comes with immersive OLED display of 6.74 inch with HDR10 Plus feature. And it offers 1 billion colors. OLED displays offer stunning picture quality, flexibility, and energy efficiency, making them popular choices for high-end smartphones. And the higher refresh rate of 120 Hz is given. And peak brightness of 1400 nits is given, from which you can easily see the content even in bright sunlight. And its screen resolution is 1240 by 2772 pixels. And 451 ppi density is seen. If we talk about the operating system of OPPO Reno 10 Pro Plus, then the smartphone runs on ColorOS 13.1, which is a user-friendly interface and based on Android 13. If we talk about its chipset power, then the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 is used, which is a flagship processor, and it comes with 4 nanometers process technology. You can enjoy games like PUBG, Free Fire and Fortnite at high speed. An octa-core CPU has been used, in which 1 CPUs of 3.0 GHz and 3 CPUs of 2.75 GHz and 4 CPUs of 2.0 GHz can be seen, which is enough for multitasking. And Adreno 730 GPU support is given. If we talk about battery department, then it comes with massive and non-removable battery of lithium-ion polymer 4700 mAh. And fast charger of 100 watt is given, which quickly charge your phone. If we talk about cameras of OPPO Reno 10 Pro Plus, then it has main sensor of 50 megapixels with a wide aperture of f1.8. And within this, multi-directional PDAF and feature of optical image stabilization is given, which is provide high-quality images. And second one is ultra-wide sensor of 8 megapixels with wide aperture of f2.2 is given. And third one is periscope telephoto sensor of 64 megapixels with f2.5 aperture. It has PDAF feature with 5x optical zoom feature. And you can record video of 1080 pixels at 30 fps from main sensor. Some pictures taken from OPPO Reno 10 Pro Plus is also included. Let's see these pictures. In terms of memory, it comes with dynamic RAM of 16GB LPDDR5X. And it has two variants with large storage. First variant 16GB plus 256GB and second variant 16GB plus 512GB. The storage type of UFS 3.1 is given, which is very fast. If we talk about the body dimensions of Reno 10 Pro Plus, then its height is 162.9 mm, 74 mm width, and thickness is 8.3 mm. The screen-to-body ratio is 90.6%. And its weight is 194 grams. If we talk about the body material, then protection of Gorilla Glass is given on the front, which keeps phone saves from scratches. And its back panel is made of glass. And its frame is made of plastic. Let's talk about connectivity. It supports 5G, 5th generation network technology, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. These phones are available in three famous, black, gold and purple colors, which looks nice. So guys, what is your opinion about OPPO Reno 10 Pro Plus? And which feature you like most? Tell us in the comment section. And if you like this video, then shares it with your friends. To see such informative video, please subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon so that the latest updates can reach you. Goodbye and take care.